Hey you guys, Amber J here from Best Bets Trades, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. And boy, did our Discord make bank today. So I'm going to go over Tesla because I said yesterday in our yesterday's video that prior to market open, we do get call and put triggers. And Gundy put together a call and put triggers this morning at 8:55 a.m. So the calls were triggered at 2:12:31. And the first price target hit of 213.20, the second price target hit at 214.67, the third price target hit at 216.08. And then I'm going to show you how we played it and where they were triggered here on Tesla. So this morning the calls were triggered here at 212.31, and the third price target hit at right here at 216.08, I believe it was. Yeah, 216.08 was the third price target. And yeah, you could have rode that all the way up. So that was a really good play and call out by Gundy. As you can see, we don't just blindly follow the call or put triggers. We look to see if everything is pointing in the correct direction. So we have the buy signal in pre-market. We have everything sitting above that 9 EMA. It pushed past that 200 EMA and it was using that 9 as support, and it just rode that 9 EMA all the way up. So it was not only are these targets great to use for guidance, but also once if it follows along with the strategy, it's perfect for scalping. So you could have rode that all the way up and taken your profits, but if you size in accordingly, all you need is like 1 or 2 candles to be in and out as a quick scalp. So that was a really good call out and play by our Discord, and a great call out by Gundy there. So I'm going to go over AMD because I played AMD this morning, and I know Chuckles scalped it a million times today, so he did really well on AMD as well. So this morning, AMD is the same kind of thing. Got the buy in pre-market, and it pushed the 9, pushed it up past the 200 EMA. It came up and wicked down. I got in once it retested that 9 EMA, and I rode that candle up for a 15% gain. I didn't need to I just got in and got out and took my profits because I didn't really trust it 100% because it was oversold. But we did eventually get the sell signal, and I got in here when it was struggling to make it past this level for like 1, 2, 3, 4, like about 25 minutes, and then it finally broke down, and I scalped it again for another 15%. And I know that Chuckles scalped it from the top and wrote it down, scalped it from the top and wrote it down a couple of times as well. So he made a really good profit on AMD as well. So I'm gonna go over Netflix because I did give levels for Netflix, but unfortunately, most of the price targets hit in pre-market, so that's kind of one of the drawbacks of giving the call outs the night before is it did hit, most of them hit in pre-market. I think the final price target hit once the market opened, but as you can see, it was very bullish. It was above that 9 EMA, and it was these are Gundy's buy and sell indicators, and they have a line that goes along with them, and those act as really strong support or resistance depending on where the candles are, and that acts as really strong support. So you could have rode that up all the way here, and I guess this is in would have been a really good play today as well because it busted through previous day high too, and it was above the 200 and all of the EMAs, so you could have played that really well. It is still high. It's at 247.90, so it went up quite a bit today. So I'm not sure if it's going to keep going up into earnings, but we shall see. Like I can kind of go over in our chat here. There's people talking about in our chat with Netflix on what they think it's going to do. So Chuckles posted earnings whispers. Netflix is expected to beat earnings. Greg in our Discord is based on his personal observation on Netflix. Lots of users due to high costs. They have a loss of users due to higher costs, $14 billion in debt, ad supported. So He doesn't know if he thinks it may be going down. So we're talking about Tesla earnings, and we're talking about Netflix earnings as well in our Discord. If you'd like to join our Discord and get access to Gundy's indicators, learn how to identify our setups, we'd be more than happy to have you. All you have to do is click on the link below. You get a 7-day free trial on our Discord to see if we're a good fit for each other. So click on the link below. I guarantee you won't regret it. We do have a video lessons library as well on how to navigate the Discord, how to identify A1 setups, and how to set up the indicators step by step. So there's lots of information on here. Every day we're live in our voice channel, trading live every single morning at market open, and sometimes we're on a little bit before talking about what moves may be made. So if you guys are interested, please click the link below and join our Discord, and we'd be more than happy to have you. I hope you have a great night.